Well, look who decided to not crash. That's right, Bitcoin is still riding high like it just discovered Red Bull and forgot how gravity works. People keep asking, why is Bitcoin still so high? And honestly, at this point, I think even Bitcoin's surprised at how high it's gone. It's like that one friend who meant to take a quick nap and apparently slept for 14 hours, but in a good way. You know, the kind that makes you rich. In today's video, we'll talk about why Bitcoin hasn't fallen back to earth yet, even though we all got PTSD from the last 12 times it did. Spoiler alert, it might have something to do with billionaires hoarding it like digital gold, governments playing nice for once, and ETFs that sound way more complicated than they are. So sit back, hold tight, and let's find out why Bitcoin is still flying like it pays no taxes. Because it doesn't. And neither do the people buying yachts with it. There are three main reasons why Bitcoin has not gone down and has actually been going up. The first one is it's all about the big players. What I mean by this is BlackRock, Fidelity, and MicroStrategy are still loading up on Bitcoin. MicroStrategy alone bought $75 million worth of Bitcoin in May of 2025. And they're not the only ones who are hoarding Bitcoin, but actually ETFs like ARK owns 21 shares of the Bitcoin ETF and are making it easy for traditional investors to pile on in. So this first point is really all about stockpiling. You bought some, I bought some, and even Uncle Randy bought, well, $2 worth, but that's okay. The big picture is actually that big companies and big institutions are buying millions and millions of dollars worth of Bitcoin. And this is good because they don't often sell. They don't sell until things go very wrong, which means that Bitcoin is actually getting safer than ever. And that second point is the US has actually softened its stance on crypto under the current administration. Guys, love him or hate him, President Donald Trump has done things for crypto inside the United States that we have never seen before. Crypto was very new, and governments for a long time were very scared of crypto. They did not like how they couldn't control it. There are many other things they didn't like. But Donald Trump has been inching closer and closer to letting crypto be free. And because he keeps getting closer to having crypto be free, what that means is that more and more people are getting more confident on their crypto investments, so they're willing to buy more and more. Do you see the cycle here? Whenever people aren't scared, they buy more. Donald Trump is making people not be scared, therefore people are buying more. And that's just a simple circle that we see all over the place, not just in crypto, but also in the stock market and even in housing prices or car prices. There's always the circle of fear. Whenever you take away fear, people are willing to throw their money in. That third and final reason why Bitcoin has actually been skyrocketing is because Bitcoin's hash rate is at all-time highs. So, what is a hash rate? No, it has nothing to do with hash browns. I'm talking about a hash rate. So a hash rate is something, it's how much you get whenever you mine Bitcoin. If you want to know more about mining Bitcoin, I actually made a video about this before Bitcoin took off. So if you would have watched the video, you could be a multi-trillionaire. Hypothetically, I mean, no one really knows. But anyways, the hash rate is the highest it's ever been, which means that you are getting more Bitcoin for however much work you are putting in to mine the Bitcoin. And this point really goes back to the confidence level. People are confident that they can mine tons of Bitcoin, and that the Bitcoin they mine, they spend thousands of dollars mining, is actually going to return a yield 2, 3, or even 4 times greater. So they're not scared to put money into buying miners so that they can actually get more Bitcoin, which then increases their net worth. So What have we seen in today's video? We've seen that when you remove fear, people have actually been buying more. And there are three main things that are removing fear. That first one is that big institutions are buying up Bitcoin and they don't sell easily. They like to hold on so people know that they're not going to get dumped on. The second one is that President Donald Trump has been trying to make crypto more free here in the United States, which gives people more confidence about buying it. And that third is, again, it's all about the confidence. People are actually getting more for how much they are willing to put in when they mine Bitcoin. So that means that they are actually able to invest more money into buying bigger miners, invest more money into buying better, faster miners. No matter what it is, they are investing money because they have confidence that they are going to get more Bitcoin and that Bitcoin is going to return a substantial investment. All that being said, I will see you guys in the next video. Adios.